Well, have you been wondering how all the big sellers get more customers and more sales? So one of their secret tactics is to give vouchers, okay? So to encourage more buyers to buy more from their store. So what are the types of vouchers you can use, and how exactly are you going to use these vouchers, how to set them? Come, let me teach you in this video. To share with you all the top tips, okay, for how to use sales voucher to increase your sales, and all the types of vouchers that you can create in your Lazada Seller Center to increase your followers, your buyers, and your sales. Okay, and what I can help you is, for example, to share with you this voucher is how important it is to for your customers experience. And not only that, it can help you build customer loyalty. Okay, it also can increase conversion, increase your order size, and also your basket size per order. So with all these vouchers, you can actually move and clear out your slow moving stocks and get more cash back. And it will of course increase sales and reduce the cart abandonment. Let's take a pause to this video and let me introduce myself. So I'm Kong, your e-commerce coach and your Lazada certified trainer, and have been training thousands of my students, okay, and sharing my own personal experience as an online seller to teach them and to grow their sales from the bottom up, or even those that have struggling with sales. I can help you to maximize and grow your sales bigger. So for those who need help, don't hesitate to contact me. Link is below. Okay, actually, there are many types of vouchers that you can set in your Lazada Seller Center, but I will go through the most common and used ones in by most of the top sellers. So number one is the follower voucher. Okay, this is a very good voucher for you to get more new followers to follow you and to buy more from you in the future. So you can go to your Lazada Seller Center under Marketing Center and under Promotions. Go click the Store Follower Voucher, and then you can set your Store Follower Voucher there. Okay, number two is live stream vouchers, which will only be available, okay, that you can use it during your live stream, that is used to customize live stream viewers. Okay, only apply for products during the live stream. Okay, it will create a sense of urgency for customers to buy during the live stream and to build up your customer shopping experience mindset during the live stream. So what you do is go to Promotions tab, okay, and click Other Vouchers. Okay, another type is actually the regular vouchers you use in your store daily or monthly or weekly. So this is an example of a person in selling and then they are using this voucher 8 ringgit. So you can set as much or as little as possible. So you go to Marketing Center, go to Promotions tab, and regular voucher. So once you click the regular voucher, you can click Create Now, okay, where you will go to this another page which will lead you to set your timing, set your, as you want it percentage, you want it by amount of money, and you can set it like minimum like 5 ringgit over 100 ringgit, something like that. So another type of voucher is the campaign vouchers, which is different from regular vouchers. So in the campaign vouchers, you need to not go into Promotions tab. Remember, go to Campaigns and you go to Voucher Campaigns. So from there, you can press Join Now. But before that, please read all the terms and conditions. Okay, not every single one that you have to join in campaigns, because the discount that during campaigns are much bigger than during normal regular vouchers. So now that you learned all about what type of vouchers and how you can set them, so start by taking action and start listing your products to sell in Lazada, and then to use some vouchers to entice your customers to buy more from you. So if you need more guidance, I have a free e-commerce course. Okay, just have to go and click the link below. It's in my website www.compreneur.com. So if you need any advice, remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel. You can give me any comments below. I will always reply you, or you can follow me in my Facebook Compreneur and Instagram Compreneur. So see you.